Imagine unlocking the door to your dream home or watching your child walk across the stage at their college graduation. These moments are priceless, but the path to getting there requires careful financial planning. In this episode of the Prosperity Roadmap series, we'll unveil the secrets to navigating the financial aspects of education and homeownership, setting you and your family up for long-term success and peace of mind. Welcome back to the Prosperity Roadmap series, where we continue to navigate the path to financial success. Today, we'll be focusing on two significant milestones that can greatly impact your financial journey: funding your own education or your children's education, and home ownership. By understanding the financial implications and strategies for these milestones, you'll be better equipped to make informed decisions and create a roadmap for long-term financial stability. But what if you could make the process of funding education and buying a home easier and less stressful? Keep watching to discover the game-changing strategies that can help you achieve your goals without breaking the bank. The rising costs of higher education can be daunting, whether you're planning for your own education or saving for your children's future. When choosing a field of study, it's important to consider not only your interests and passions, but also the potential return on investment. Research the job market, starting salaries, and growth prospects for your desired career path to ensure that your education will provide a solid foundation for long-term financial stability and success. There are various options available for funding education, including scholarships, grants, student loans, and education savings accounts. It's essential to thoroughly research and understand the requirements, benefits, and potential drawbacks of each option to make informed decisions about financing your education. Imagine graduating from college with minimal debt and a clear path to financial freedom, or being able to provide your children with a debt-free education. Stay tuned to learn how one student, Maria, achieved this by implementing a multifaceted approach to funding her education. Meet Maria, a first-generation college student who successfully funded her own education through a combination of smart strategies. When Maria started her college journey, she knew she wanted to minimize her student debt as much as possible. First, Maria focused on finding and applying for scholarships and grants that aligned with her background, interests, and academic achievements. She spent countless hours researching and writing essays, but her hard work paid off when she secured several scholarships that significantly reduced her tuition costs. Next, Maria made a strategic choice to start her education at a local community college. By completing her general education courses at a lower-cost institution, she was able to save a substantial amount of money before transferring to a four-year university to complete her degree. Throughout her college years, Maria worked part-time jobs and participated in work-study programs to help cover her living expenses and minimize her reliance on student loans. She also made a point to live frugally, choosing to live with roommates, cook her own meals, and limit her discretionary spending. By combining scholarships, strategic school choice, part-time work, and frugal living, Maria was able to graduate with minimal student debt. Her story demonstrates the power of planning, resourcefulness, and a multifaceted approach to funding one's education. Maria's success story highlights several key lessons. Start early and invest time in researching and applying for scholarships and grants. Consider strategic school choices such as starting at a community college to save money. Work part-time or participate in work-study programs to help cover expenses. And finally, live frugally and make smart financial choices throughout your college years. Buying a home is a major financial decision that requires careful planning and consideration. We'll guide you through the process, from saving for a down payment and understanding mortgage options to building a strong credit score and budgeting for ongoing expenses. What if you could turn your home into a wealth-building tool that helps you achieve your family's financial goals? Keep watching to learn how the Johnson family leveraged their home to build long-term wealth. The Johnson story illustrates how homeownership can be a powerful tool for building long-term wealth when approached with careful planning and a long-term perspective. By taking a strategic approach to saving, financing, and managing their home expenses, they were able to achieve their family's financial goals, including funding their children's education. As you navigate through life's milestones, whether for yourself or your family, it's crucial to remember that your financial plans must adapt to changing circumstances. As their home's value appreciated and they paid down their mortgage, the Johnsons built a substantial asset that they could leverage in various ways. For example, they could use their home equity to secure a low-interest loan or line of credit to fund their children's education expenses, start a business, or invest in other wealth-building opportunities. Furthermore, by owning their home outright in retirement, the Johnsons could significantly reduce their monthly expenses, allowing them to stretch their retirement savings further and enjoy a more comfortable lifestyle. The Johnson story demonstrates how homeownership, when approached with a long-term perspective and strategic planning, can provide a foundation for achieving multiple financial goals throughout life, including funding education and securing a comfortable retirement. As you navigate through life's milestones, whether for yourself or your family, it's crucial to remember that your financial plans must adapt to changing circumstances. We'll emphasize the importance of regularly reviewing and adjusting your strategies to ensure they remain relevant and effective. In this episode, we've explored the financial aspects of education and homeownership, providing you with actionable strategies and real-life success stories to guide your journey, whether you're planning for your own future or your family's future. Remember, proactive planning and adaptability are key to achieving your long-term financial goals. Take the first step towards mastering the finances of education and homeownership today, whether for yourself or your loved ones. Start by assessing your current situation, exploring your options, and creating a plan that aligns with your unique goals and circumstances. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the Prosperity Roadmap series, and share your experiences and questions in the comments below. Together, we can build a community of support and empowerment on the path to financial success for ourselves and our families.